welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another freaking video in this bitch, period. I know I said I was back for good, and I'm back for good. It's just I have a really tight schedule and I need to try and fit in editing on that schedule, which I haven't figured out yet. But anyways, y'all, if you guys see my eyebrows done, that means we have a makeup tutorial for you guys, and you all already know by the title what kind of makeup we're gonna do. So let's just get started. Let's go. So how are you guys been doing? What you guys been doing? How is quarantine treating y'all? How is the pandemic treating y'all? I know it's been tough for a lot of people, me included, but I hope everyone is doing well. And yeah, anyways, y'all, the brushes I'm gonna be using today is the Beauty Bay brush. I just got them, so I'm really excited to try them out. So yeah, so I'm going to go with the cut crease brush. So it's this fluffy brush. I'm gonna go with that brush, and then I'm gonna go with my Dose of Color Pretty Cool eyeshadow palettes, because we are going for a pretty cool look today. Which we don't usually do, because if you know me and you've known me for a while, you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you know I love my colors, okay? I am a woman of color, so it's kind of different, and we like that. Who doesn't like changes? So anyway, it's really dirty because it's been my go-to these days since I don't be doing my makeup a lot. So I'm gonna go with these two shades, and we're gonna blend, boo boo. Let's blend this bitch. So guys, one of the things I've been meaning to post more on my channel is to post more about my business, because it's a big part of my life right now. It's basically a lot, but I really want to show you guys behind the scenes. And I'm also gonna leave my TikTok, my business TikTok, and my personal TikTok where I do my makeup down below, so you guys can check it out if you guys want, of course. But I really hope you check it out. So I'm just blending the two shades on my lid and stuff. I'm going to the outer corner and the inner corners. So blending softly, because we want to look like a bad bitch, not a crackhead. I'm gonna go with the Body London palette, and this is the Natural Goddess one, and I'm gonna go with this deep brown shade. But yo, after that, life been good, you know. The little Q&A I did, I don't know, I answered a bunch of questions for you guys, because I feel like since I was gone for so long, I kind of needed to like give you guys an explanation of some sort. So yeah, I'm trying to come up with a schedule for this YouTube, but I just really don't want to come up with a schedule and then not stick to it. So I am blending the shade Temptress, which is the dark brown, and then I'm blending it and I'm bringing it to the edge of my nose, so you can have this sharp nose right here. See that? Oh, boo. We don't have that, okay? We don't have that sharpness here, so we are going to create it, because bad bitch, bad bitch alert. Anyways, so now we are going with Diva. We're putting it right on top of our lid. So gorgeous, just with my fingers, and look how pigmented. Ooh. This is the Natural Goddess right here. This is the eyes all complete. We are going to move on to the primer. I am using the Forthray Beauty, the lightweight hydrator. I don't know if you guys can see it, but anyways, You know, if you guys would like me to do more videos on my business, you know, me making some products, me doing all that, because it's also part of my life and I really want you guys to be a part of it. So it's kind of like a little bonding together for us. Anyway, this is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I've used it a lot. It's literally one of my favorite powder, aside from the airspun powder, because this is like the best. Okay, now as you guys know, I don't like to bake, so I'm just gonna get a brush and then set under my eyes, like the places I get oily from the most, under my eyes, forehead, and my chin, and my nose area. See that? No oil in my cheeks. Yeah, we like that. Okay, we like that. Okay, so yeah, this is the face. We are going to set this bitch in place. Okay, y'all, this is the lashes I'm gonna use. These are from Bella and Co. They are so gorgeous. I think these are the style Ballerina. I can't remember because I don't have the name on the packaging, but I think this is the style Ballerina. Such a cute lash, especially that I have a really natural look going on. It's really nice to have like a really nice natural looking lash. We're gonna go with the doll tan. She's a doll Hydra Gel Cream Balm. Can you tell I love this? Okay, I'm gonna take it on a brush. This is my favorite brush to put my blush. Ooh, that rhyme. You see? Brush, blush. Anyways, I'm gonna give it a good dab, 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 dab. You see how where my contours are? I'm gonna do that right here on top of it. Make sure they blend together. So stunning. If you don't like blush, there's something wrong with you. Okay, so do you guys remember when I said I did not like blush? If you remember, you are a real OG. So stunning. I don't put it right here. I used to put it right here. I stopped doing that because I realized that I like it right here so it can give my face a little lift, you know, because we chubby and we like it. I'm gonna put a little bit of lip gloss. This is from my website. This is the shade Glucose. This is Glucose. Such a beautiful ocean kind of like blue shade. Okay, y'all, thank you so much for joining me. And if you did recreate this look, don't forget you can tag me on Instagram at GyvenchaBeauty16 because I would love to see you recreate one of my looks. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment down below what kind of look you want me to do next and what color. and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, beauty babes.